my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the Revlon hairstyle. I guess it's called the one-step hairstyle dryer and volumizer. I've seen so many influencers buying these and I actually got FOMO and I wanted to buy it myself and try it out. I have very straight wavy hair, so I typically blow dry my hair every single day whenever I wash it. I was intrigued by this because it's very simple and it's almost like a one-step hair tool. I typically just use a blow dryer with a blow drying brush. I just normally do the typical, blow drying motions. But with this, I was very curious to see how it worked without the brush and just using it freehand as it's showed here. People have been raving about this, and I kind of see why, because their videos always show them doing the step-by-step process, and I think it's great. What it says that it does, it says that it's tangle free. It's a professional swivel cord, which is pretty easy to just plug anywhere and just start doing your hair. It says it has unique airflow vents, whatever that means. It's also lightweight. When I opened up the package, I thought it was going to be heavier than it actually is. It's actually pretty lightweight and easy for you to carry and for you to do your own hair. I can understand why a lot of people love this, because it's very easy, it's very functional, and yeah, it's very lightweight, and you can easily just comb your hair through and you wouldn't have like your arm dying by the end of the time that you're done doing your hair. But yeah, so basically I'm just going to show you how I use it on my hair and whether or not I think it's worth it. So yeah, just stay tuned and see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how I actually use the Revlon styler. What you want to do is comb through your hair. I basically just run my brush through my hair just to make sure I get rid of all the tangle, even though the styler is supposed to detangle your hair anyway. You want to get a clip so that you can divide your hair up into how many sections that you want. Typically what I do, I just half my hair, then I half it again. So basically I just quarter my sections. Here I basically did one half at a time. So as you can see, I grabbed one piece of hair and I split it between two separate sections. As you can see, I'm basically running the wand towards my hair in an inverted motion. I do this multiple times on the same strand of hair to ensure that it's getting dry and that it's reaching the smoothness that I want. Keep running through it multiple times to get that volume, and also I would definitely recommend twisting your hair on the bottom to get that blow dry effect. Make sure to hit the roots so that you can get the most volume that you can. Okay, next I unclip the second side. As you can see, I love this half of my hair. It's very soft and bouncy and I love running my hair through it. The other section is damp, and you definitely see the difference between both sides. One side being very voluminous while the other side is very flat. Again, on this side, I'm doing the same exact thing as I did on the other half of the hair, running the first sides of my hair through the comb. I'm making sure that I'm getting the most heat on the actual hair. Here I am basically running the brush through my hair as I did on the opposite side. Don't forget to also brush the back of your hair to make sure that it's all warmed through. One thing I want to say about this brush is that it's very comfortable to hold. It's not that heavy, and as you can see, I do a lot of strokes to my hair and my arm doesn't really hurt that much. So once the back of my hair is completely dry, I part the front bangs to create that volume in the front that I want once my hair is let down. Keep brushing to make sure you get that volume, starting from the front all the way to the back, and pull the hair forward as you're brushing it. The brush does get a little bit warm, so be careful when handling the brush, especially at the tip. So basically now I'm done just running my fingers through my hair, making sure that all the knots or tangles are removed. As you can see, I love playing with my hair and it's very soft and shiny. And that's the end product. Alright guys, so as you saw in the video, it's very easy to use. I basically just used the wand and rotated it around my hair multiple times until I pretty much did the entire section of hair. I can actually say that I actually really love this product. It leaves my hair feeling really soft, really glossy, really bouncy. I feel like I even like it better than my typical blow drying technique that I use. It's very comfortable on the hands. I wasn't struggling a lot when I was using this. One thing I will say, it does get very hot. I don't know if you could see in the video, I was basically grimacing because it was so hot at certain points. But yeah, one thing about this is that it does get very high. In order for you to get the volume up top, you have to really go into the root, although that's a little bit hard to do with this size of a brush. But I can see how you can get as much volume as possible with this if you keep going over and over and over again, and you'll definitely get all that volume that you want. In other videos that I've seen, they typically do their ends and they leave them like almost like a blow dry effect. I have very dead ends, so typically this won't really be the effect on my hair since I do have to cut it. But I can definitely see this being a staple in your hair care routine. If you have straight or like wavy hair, it'll definitely make the process of drying your hair much easier. What I also did was, the hair has to be pretty damp for it to work. I pretty much just let it air dry for probably like 10-15 minutes, and then it was the perfect I guess wetness that you should be using this for. Highly recommend this if you want something easy. I blow dried my hair in pretty much 8 minutes, and I actually love that because it's very easy, very hands-free. I don't have to worry about getting all these different like clunky utensils and just using it that way. This is all just like a one-stop shop, definitely worth the price. Again, like I said before, These go on sale all the time. You don't have to pay the full price, retail of $60. They're very lightweight. They have two other color waves. I think they have this pink one and they also have a turquoise one. That's one that I've seen. I think I also, if I'm not mistaken, saw a gold one too. But yeah, definitely think it's, you know, up to par with the Dyson. I feel like everyone else either has this or they have the Dyson airbrush curler thing. I would never pay $300 or more for that hairstyler, but I think this is a great alternative if you want something different and something easy to just, you know, whip out and just do an easy hairdo in the 1, 2, 3 type of way. But yeah. Final thoughts, I think this is a great product. It's great for your hair. It leaves your hair feeling so healthy and glossy, definitely very straight, and it does pretty much say exactly what it does on the packaging. It does leave your hair feeling very neat, very comfortable, very, you know, untangled, something that I love. But yeah, as you can see, I love touching my hair after this. It's very soft and it's actually very shiny too. If you throw on a little bit of argan oil at the end, I think it would look even better. But yeah, highly recommend this product. If you do want to buy it full price, go ahead. But like I said, it always goes on sale, so no need to pay full price. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.